Hello.
Hello, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Fantastic. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also absolutely well. Thank you for asking about me. What about you? Okay, tell me things.
Actually, can you say loudly, please? Your sound is sort of breaking from me. It's not clear.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
okay. I'm very well. Thank you for asking about me.
Okay.
So, where are you from?
Basically, I'm connecting with you from Kolkata.
Okay, you're from Kolkata.
Yeah. And what about you? Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Assam, bro.
Assam. Yeah, it's just nearest
Yeah,
state.
yeah, exactly.
So, if I may know why you are here in this platform.
Actually, just for time pass.
Only for time pass because I guess you have lot of time. That's why you are passing some time with the.
No, exactly. I don't have a lot of time. Actually, I'm so busy in my own career,
Hmm.
but I don't know why I'm here.
Hmm.
Sometimes like I open my book. After that I remember that I need to talk some people's. So
Yeah,
yeah,
it's a great idea, no? So if you want to improve your English and if you want to talk with any other countries people, so definitely this platform is one of the best platform. You can communicate with the different countries people, no? So it
yeah,
boost your confidence level and increase your vocabulary and everything all. Yeah, but
exactly.
yeah. So from the looks of it, your English speaking is so good, no? So what did you learn this
Oh,
language actually?
actually, I haven't tried this one. Actually, just randomly I talk with people and I learned this.
Hmm.
I
Okay.
I never give this that much importance for learning this language.
But yeah, still you are doing great job, no? Because I have already speak so many people, but they are not fluent with this language, no? If you'll talk about the English, so then definitely they are familiar a lot and they are taking pauses sometime. Maybe they are apprehensive a lot, so that's the reason you are very much. You have already improved. It's an incredible journey, I think that.
Okay, thank you so much for your.
And are you getting any improvement from this side actually? Sometime you are using this application, so.
Last day I installed these apps in my desktop. So
Hmm.
I don't have any feedback
Yeah,
uh, about this.
yeah, absolutely. You have already installed and you have been using this application since 1 week, I think that.
No, last day actually.
Okay,
Last day I installed these apps.
okay. So,
It's my second day.
yeah, this is your second day. Yeah. Oh my God, bus. Yeah, yeah, you don't have any hesitation. You don't have any fear of fatigue, sense of overwhelming. But your speaking is really fantastic. Yes.
Okay, thank you for your compliment. Okay. By the way, what's your name? It's your Jafar, it's your real name?
Yes. My name is Jafar, and if I will talk about myself, so by profession I'm a driver. For my living, I'm a driver. And if I will talk about my education, so I have just completed 10 class standard, and that's it. Yeah.
Okay, actually I have completed my 12th class standard.
Oh my goodness, you are really such a
So you are working
motivation for
you are
me
working
because
in a com
yeah.
yeah.
So after completed 12 pass, so I think that if I will compare with my nearest place people, maybe some young guy, they are they have already completed their 12th grade, but they don't know how to speak in English, no. But you have already improved a lot.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you. Okay, first you are working in a company like telecalling, something like that.
No, not at all. Because I just want to prefer to drive tourist bus, and sometime I need to pick up some foreign passenger, so I need to be
Okay.
better communication with them. So yeah, that's why I'm practicing in this application. Actually, it is totally free, and sometime you. By your lucky chance you will get some native speaker, so you can improve your accent because
Oh,
some pronunciation, because we are suffering from pronunciation, no, because we are living in a countryside area. So English is only depend on your pronunciation. So if you will pronounce the right word in right path, then definitely it will be correct, no? And your sentence structure will be a very articulate way. So that's the reason. If I will get any leisure time, so I just want to talk with the several people. Yeah.
Okay. So actually, first of all, I want to request you please accept my friend request.
Hmm.
I sent it you.
Yeah.
It is
Okay.
showing on your screen also.
Okay. 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 Yeah. I have already
It's the
accepted.
reason. Then we can talk next time also. I think it's possible. Is it possible?
I actually I don't know that much about this application. Maybe. So I need to search the YouTube. So if you will see anything, so if you will search the YouTube, so definitely they will give you 100 videos, no? So one of the videos I need to watch, how can I communicate if I have already accepted friend request, right? So next time, yeah, definitely I will talk with you.
Okay, sure. Actually, I'm
Okay.
also interested to talk with you. Actually, it's your first person who is talking with me that much politely, and your behavior is too much good. What I cannot express with my feelings. Okay,
Same
I
here, same
I
here.
cannot express with my
Yeah.
I can my language. Okay, so you
Yeah.
are so polite.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
are behaving me with me so polite language.
Yes,
So
you
you are
are
never
absolutely
visited in
right.
Assam.
I never been to there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in future, if you get any chance to come here, so will visit here.
Definitely, 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 brother. If when it will be much easier for me, so I would like to visit in your state, Assam. Yeah, definitely, I will do that. Yeah, yeah.
Actually, I want to visit once time Kolkata.
You already have been to Kolkata.
No,
Yeah.
actually, I want to visit once. Actually, I never
Okay.
visited here.
Okay. 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 You are most welcome because yeah, it's just nearest state, so it will be not difficult if you
Yeah.
want to visit in Kolkata. So right. Yeah, because for the time being, no, we are. If you have already expectation that you want to explore yourself in different places, but for the lack of time, no, we are all are always occupied with our work, with our busy schedule. So that's the reason this is not possible to anyone to go anywhere and spend some time. Because yeah, sometime it need, but you are too young and too calm, so you can do it.
What I mean, where you are now in your home or outside of your home?
No, no, no. I'm just in my home because I just want to postpone my day today because I want to go somewhere in at night maybe. I just want. Actually, I'm waiting for my boss confirmation if they will get any trip, so they will send me at night, and after that I will return back to my home. So today actually I didn't do anything since morning. So yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, if you are interested in education, then please, I will say you there are lots of board like NIS board, like Sikkim board. You can continue your education also in the time also. You can
I
pursue
know,
from
I
NIS
know.
board
Yeah,
in
I
second
know.
year. Second year.
Yes, I know very well. But it is,
But
I
now,
think that.
nowadays, yeah, there's
Hmm.
yeah nowadays there are lots of college universities also provide graduation online mode. It's like I also want to do graduation from online mode.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you have lots of opportunities, and I'm so proud of you. You are, I think, what's your age right now?
I'm 27.
You're 27 years old. Okay. Even though you are still so active in your life and you are interested to learn something. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll recommend you please take admission NIS board. It's you have a great chance if you take admission now. Then your exam will be October. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean October 2025.
Hmm.
October
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
2025. So it's a great opportunity for you. You can take subject like do you know Bengali?
Yes, I know Bengali.
Okay, Bengali. You can choose two language subject like English, Bengali. One is your data entry.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
data entry.
Hmm.
Another is political science,
Hmm. Hmm.
and another is art. You can choose arts. You can
Yeah.
easily pass at a second year
Yeah.
if you choose those five subjects.
Yes, I know. I know very well because English is one of the most important language. If you want to get a good job. So so you need must be fluent with this language, no? But sometime you need to show some certificate over there. So if you will not
Yeah,
show any
obviously.
certificate, it will be barrier for your career in future, no? So if I just want
Exactly.
to, yeah, I just want to convert my job, that I right now I can't live driving profession, because it's my bread and butter, so I cannot live driving profession. So in future I will think about it, because I need some degrees. Without having the degrees you cannot chance a good job, yeah, any
Yeah,
company.
you
So
cannot get
mm,
at minimumly you have to study 12. Okay,
yeah,
it's the minimum qualification nowadays.
yes,
In future maybe it will be increased. In future maybe it will be increased, like you must have to a degree, but
mm,
at present it's HS level, HS matlab senior secondary level you
yeah,
must have.
yeah,
So I recommend you just take admission. It's too much easy. Just take one English subjects, one Bengali, one data entry, or
mm,
political science, and going to arts also.
yeah,
It will take when you get admission, it will take around 2,000 rupees. Okay, 2,000 something rupees.
mm.
And when you do you know in your nearest city there is any study center of NIOS?
Yes, I know everything, I know, yeah.
Okay, then if you know, then you can easily get.
Okay, thank you. It was
Okay,
nice
thank
talking
you.
to
Nice to
you.
talk.
Yeah, really,
Okay.
really. I was.
If you wish to, if you wish to talk with me again, I can get. I will give you my WhatsApp number.
Okay, just type it. I just want to know your WhatsApp number.
920
Type in chat box.
Yeah, yeah. Seriously, I'm so happy to talk to you,
Me too,
and
me
it's
too.
first
I'm same here. Actually I'm also excited to talk with you again, and maybe if I will get any chance to talk with you, so definitely I will talk with you. Yeah. Thank you.
time. Bye.
Bye.